look, I want to thank the Social Democrats for bringing forward this debate and to speak in support of the Before We Die campaign. They're a group of people I've had the pleasure to get to know over the last number of months, and they're a group of people asking one simple question: what happens to my son or daughter when I'm no longer here to care for them? It's a question that their families are raising, my own family and many other families across the country are asking. I want to acknowledge the work of Tony Murray and Maria Moran in my own constituency, who, along with the wider campaign in Cork and elsewhere in the country, I know have met a number of ministers, including yourself. Today, Minister, I'm publishing a compilation of the targeted parliamentary questions which I've submitted on behalf of both the campaign and individual families. And the answers confirm what these families have been telling us. Nearly half of the primary carers of adults awaiting a residential place are aged 60 years or over. And the state's own review found we need at least 1,900 additional residential places. So this isn't a hidden problem, Minister. It's one that's going to happen whether we plan for it or not. It's also clear that while day services are important, there's very little transparency in how requests for residential care are processed between the different day services, the HSE disability integrated healthcare area teams, and then the need at the local authority level. So, Minister, today I'm asking for two things which I think can be done immediately. First, a dedicated housing officer to be established in every local authority, seconded from the HSE and linked with the HSE, to finally bring together housing and health so the families don't have to negotiate that. And secondly, a guaranteed forward plan triggered automatically when the carer of a person with an intellectual disability turns 65. So the families get certainty and a progressive plan, not a crisis response. Often people, and they've spoken to me, have said that they don't necessarily have an immediate need for a place, but they do have immediate need for a plan for what will happen to their children.
I just want to thank the Social Democrats for bringing the motion today, and I want to thank the Right to Die, Before We Die campaign, for leading this. And I'm grateful to having spoken to Lorraine Dáil